Most impact wrenches sold online are overpriced junk built to fail within a year. Pick wrong and you're out $200 and stuck with a dud for years. Tired of juggling power, speed, and comfort on tough bolts? This video will help you pick the right one for your shop. Today, I'm going to be going over the best impact wrench for automotive that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Seesii Impact Wrench. This professional-grade tool targets automotive enthusiasts and shop mechanics seeking power, efficiency, and reliability for demanding bolt removal tasks. Its rugged body blends tungsten steel components with alloy housing and an ergonomic grip to deliver durable performance under harsh workshop conditions. The unit measures roughly 16 inches in length and weighs about 9.3 pounds, delivering balanced handling for long repair sessions. It uses a brushless motor with 579 foot-pounds tightening torque and 665 foot-pounds loosening torque. It delivers 3,300 IPM and 2,400 RPM, speeding bolt cycles and maintaining steady performance under load. The kit includes two 21-volt 4.0 amp-hour batteries delivering extended runtime and rapid 30-minute charges. The 1/2-inch square head withstands formidable torque, enabling easy tightening and dismantling of truck tires and large mechanical bolts. Ergonomic design with a compact body and balanced center of gravity reduces operator fatigue, while the anti-slip nylon hanging rope adds accessibility. Tungsten steel anvil and alloy steel hammer deliver higher impact resistance, and military-grade housing survives drops, ensuring durability in tough environments. Smart safety protection monitors current draw and temperature, actively preventing overcurrent and overheating conditions to protect both user and tool. In direct comparison to the GoFuel Extreme wrench, the Seesii delivers more torque and longer battery life with a more compact frame. The pros include strong build quality, long battery life, and high torque range. The cons include higher price and heavier weight. At number 4, we have the Robustrue Impact Wrench. From the moment you unbox it, the balanced grip and compact profile hint at a tool built for lengthy garage sessions. This model targets DIY enthusiasts and professional technicians who need reliable torque without frequent battery recharges in demanding scenarios. The chassis uses a premium brushed aluminum shell that feels exceptionally durable and resists heat buildup during extended fastenings. Weighing 3.74 pounds with a compact 5.9-inch body, it minimizes wrist strain during long sessions. Its compact 5.9-inch front-to-back design lets it squeeze into tight wheel wells and cluttered workspaces. 3 adjustable speeds range from 0 to 2,280 revolutions per minute for precise control. Reverse auto-stop brake engages immediately after loosening, preventing accidental drops and keeping fasteners secured from falling during harsh working conditions. The kit ships with two 4.0 amp-hour batteries and a 1-hour quick charge to minimize downtime. In real-world tests, it maintains consistent torque across fasteners and shows minimal heat buildup during extended use. During tire changes, the strong 800 Nm torque combined with the brushless motor ensures quick removal and reinstallation. The 5.9-inch length keeps balance in tight spaces, reducing user fatigue over long projects. Compared to a leading rival like the Makita cordless impact wrench, Robustrue shows stronger peak torque and longer runtime. The pros include exceptionally high torque, versatile 3-in-1 functionality, and 2 high-capacity batteries with fast charging. The cons include premium price. At number 3, we have the Urjoai 590 ft-lbs. From first handling, the Urjoai speaks to enthusiasts who crave serious torque without sacrificing portability, making it ideal for shop floors and garages. The Urjoai feels premium with a robust build, targeting automotive professionals and serious DIYers who demand reliable high torque for tough tasks. Its compact, balanced design yields an ergonomic grip that reduces wrist strain during long sessions and improves precision in tight spaces. The standout feature is a brushless motor delivering 800 Nm of torque, ensuring efficient power delivery and extended motor life. 2 high-capacity 4 ampere-hour lithium batteries ship with a 1-hour fast charge, keeping downtime short and momentum high. The tool offers 2 speed settings that cover precise tightening and rapid bolt removal, while automatic reverse brake prevents loose bolts from slipping. An integrated LED work light illuminates work areas while a refined trigger delivers smooth, predictable response for accurate control in dim environments. In field testing, the Urjoai sustained consistent torque during tire changes and bolt removal with controlled heat buildup and steady performance. Compared with single battery kits, the dual 4 ampere-hour packs extend runtime significantly and minimize interruptions during long projects. The brushless architecture reduces wear and heat, preserving performance after repeated use and saving maintenance time for busy workshops. Ergonomics-focused design balances weight distribution, enabling comfortable operation on tires and undercar work where leverage matters and fatigue is common. Compared with the DeWalt DCF 899, the Urjoai delivers higher torque and longer runtime, yet lacks certain ecosystem features. The pros include high torque with brushless efficiency, two 4-ampere-hour batteries with fast charging, and automatic reverse brake plus LED illumination. The cons include a higher price compared to budget units and a heavier chassis that can feel cumbersome in one-handed use. At number 2, we have the AVID Power Impact Wrench Kit. From the outset, this kit appears purpose-built for DIYers and professional technicians seeking high torque and reliable runtime under demanding tasks. The housing features a premium brushed aluminum shell that communicates durability while keeping the weight balance for extended use without fatigue. The kit includes a half-inch wrench, two 4.0 amp-hour batteries, a fast charger, 4 sockets, and a portable bag. 3 speed settings provide precise control from delicate work at 1,500 RPM to bursts at 2,600 RPM. The brake stop feature enhances safety by preventing nut detachment, while an LED light brightens dim spaces for precise bolt alignment. Complete components include a power wrench, 2 batteries, a fast charger, 4 sockets, a user manual, and a portable bag. Its compact form factor and balanced grip orientation help maintain control during tire changes and bolt removal even in cramped engine bays. Powered by a brushless motor, the tool delivers up to 900 foot-pounds of torque for bolt removal in most automotive tasks. 2 4.0 amp-hour packs extend uptime across lengthy sessions, while the 60-minute fast charger minimizes downtime between tasks. In real-world testing, the AVID Power Impact Wrench Kit consistently sustained high torque across repeated cycles and demonstrated reliable lug nut removal. The brushless design reduces wear, contributing to longer motor life and less maintenance compared to brushed competitors in the same price range. Compared to a popular DeWalt model, the AVID Power Impact Wrench Kit offers higher torque and longer runtime at a similar price. The pros include outstanding torque for stubborn bolts, extended battery life with dual packs, and a complete kit that covers every essential accessory. The cons include a higher price point and a heavier weight that may hinder maneuverability in tight spaces for some users. At number 1, we have the CRAFTSMAN V20 RP. Right out of the box, this compact cordless impact wrench targets automotive professionals and serious DIYers seeking high torque without a cord. The housing uses glass-filled nylon and a hog ring anvil to facilitate quick socket changes while resisting automotive shop grime. Ergonomics are prioritized with a balanced center of gravity and a slim nose, enabling comfortable one-handed operation during long sessions. This tool delivers 700 foot-pounds of fastening torque and 1,000 foot-pounds of breakaway torque for stubborn fasteners. 3 speed settings and a variable trigger provide fine control for delicate assembly, automotive tasks, and heavy fastening across different materials. An integrated LED work light brightens cramped spaces, improving visibility and precision during late-night repairs and under-hood tasks. VersaTrack compatibility allows easy mounting and organization within shop setups, promoting efficient workflow and quick tool access between jobs. This bundle includes a 4 amp-hour battery and a charger, delivering longer sessions between charges and minimizing downtime. In practical testing, users report reliable torque consistency under load, providing steady performance from initial bite to final torque with reduced tool fatigue. Real-world feedback also highlights fast servicing availability and kit compatibility that simplifies field maintenance on busy automotive jobs. Compared to the Milwaukee M18 Fuel High Torque, the CRAFTSMAN V20 RP delivers similar torque with improved balance and lower price. The pros include a powerful brushless motor that extends runtime, 700 foot-pounds fastening torque, and 1,000 foot-pounds breakaway torque. The cons include higher price relative to some cordless rivals and a moderate weight that can cause fatigue during extended sessions.